Unlock the EPO of Enjoypowers PCS. Enjoypowers PCS is equipped with versatile communication terminals, including EPO, SPD, and fire alarm DI signals. Among them, the EPO signal is one of the most common and widely used DI signals. The first step in wiring is to connect the GND and OP signal terminals to activate the Enjoypowers PCS DI and DO signals. Next, the second step is to connect the EPO switch to the middle of 24V and the EPO signal. The Enjoypowers PCS defaults the EPO as a normally closed dry contact signal. Therefore, if the PCS is powered on without the EPO switch connected, it will trigger an EPO fault. In such cases, recovery can only be achieved in the shutdown state through a reset command. If you wish to shield the EPO signal, you can temporarily shield the EPO alarm signal by short-circuiting the 24V and EPO signal terminals. Alternatively, you can contact Enjoypowers engineers and use the monitor software to shield the EPO alarm.